Hi, this is Rucha. Today I'm going to select my data for the project as I have two websites, one of which Makeover Monday is which I have selected today to select my data. So there are n number of data here. So we can see data sets from 2016 to 2024. So in between that, I have to select one. So I was going through all of these data sets. So I was really interested into global 500 brands, but this was already been taken. So I would I would have to let go of that and look for something else. So I was looking into these data sets, but I had a few of them in my mind to select as a global electric vehicle, to talk about it or to discuss about this data set, which could really be important or can be very essential for this project. But really I have to see and make my mind over to see what I'm really interested into, which was really difficult to figure it out from all of the data sets. So finally, I was able to select one of the data sets among these all. So layoffs is one of the data sets. I have looked into it and I have selected this data set for my project. As I can see in this data set, we have lots of data, and we can look into it and see whether it takes us where we can understand what is this data set and what we can do with it. So my interest follows in this as I'm an international student in USA right now, and it will be a great opportunity for me to go through this data and to analyze what this data is about. So by the name itself, we can say layoffs. We can say that the companies layoffs the employees on their hardest time. So if that's the case, then we had heard about Microsoft, Google, and Amazon being laying off, but we can see their shares has been increasing day by day. I don't see any point why they are laying off people. So anyway, some reasons are coming up with data set skills where employees are not up to date with the technology or the skills which are in the market out there. And so whatsoever the reasons are, but the layoffs have been there in the market, and even we can see in USA right now the market is very down. So as I as I'll be graduating soon, so this data would help me. So I hope this would help me, and this is what I have selected for my project. And as I can see, this data is all over the world. I can see it is covered UK, USA, France, Australia, India. So there are many countries in this data set. So I'm really particularly interested in USA, and that is where I'm gonna work in future. So that will really help me out. So this is a really messed up data, I can say. So I have to download it into an Excel first and then see what I can do with this data. There's lots of data here. It's around 2000 2000 rows, 2000 columns, and all over the world data is here. And since COVID-19, from past, I guess it's 4 years data. So which is pretty good for my analysis. I hope this works. Thank you.